In an open interval from Lake Sammamish at 200 feet to Skyline High School at 500 feet, there must be a height of 400 feet at various locations around the Sammamish Plateau as defined by the Intermediate Value Theorem.
Okay, so here we are at Lake Sammamish, and this is our starting value at 200 feet and Skyline ending value at 500 feet, like we said. And now we're going to go around the plateau and find different points that are at 400 feet to prove the Intermediate Value Theorem. Right, Des?
What?
Here's a graph to help visualize how the Intermediate Value Theorem applies to the situation. The starting value at x equals a is Lake Sammamish, and between a and b there are multiple points, 3 points on this graph specifically just for an example, that are at a height of 400 feet. Skyline is at 500 feet, and that is our ending value at point B.
Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough, 'cause I'm at 400 feet. This house sitting at 400 feet on the Sammamish Plateau is selling for $810,000. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 3,360 square feet. What more could you want?
My body was down to 400 feet.
Mi perro es muy grande y tiene 3 piernas, cuando Heather's perro tiene 4 piernas y es muy rápido. Ella se ganó en un partido at 400 feet.
You can't get a venti white chocolate mocha anywhere else except 400 feet. I just have to say that. And I don't even drink them. She does.
They take a little while here, but it's so worth it. Because we're at 400 feet. Yeah, man. Golly gee, this tastes good at 400 feet. I'm running to climb nowhere at 400 feet!
My goal is to climb Mount Everest, and I did it.
At 400 feet!
For all you Dinglewoodians, we're here at Evergreen, home of the Eagles. Just to show you guys that there's something 400 feet up the plateau, home of the Eagles.
Alright, just in case you're curious, here's an area view of all the places we went to. The red dots are the places at 400 feet. Lake Sammamish was our starting point, and Skyline was sort of like the end point on the graph. And yeah, that's about it.
To determine the elevation on a topography graph, we found the grid, labeled 400 feet. Anywhere along this circular line, the elevation is 400 feet. We could then determine the street address and location at this height.